up the hill to fetch a pail of water.